Today we're going to learn about how to access your owner's manual digitally in your new 911. Now this is located here in the PCM and also in your My Porsche app, but we're going to go ahead and start with the PCM. You'll scroll down until you see the button that says Instructions. Now you'll see Last Viewed Favorites, Chapter Overview, Warning and Information Messages, and of course videos. There's some overview graphics as well, down one from there. So let's start with Chapter Overview. And we'll go down to Displays in Operation. And here you can see Instrument Cluster, Central Display, many of the things as far as display in operation in the car. We'll select PCM here, and we'll select Configuring Home Screen in My Screen for an example. And here you can see you have all of the items you need to configure your screen, and even go down to a video here. There's a different way to access this information as far as the video is concerned. Let's go down to Video. And here we have the same Displays in Operation, Configure My Home Screen, and here we can see the video. Let's head back here to our main screen. You also have warning and information messages here. Here it will explain some of the things that you'll see here in the instrument cluster if you get a warning or message that you do not understand or can't identify. We'll go back here, go down one more to Overview Graphics. There's a wide variety of things here to choose from. Let's scroll down. Let's take a look at Center Console. Here you can touch the hotspot, these little lighter gray circles, and it will identify what that particular button or button cluster operates. So what happens if you want to work on something here in the PCM, but that's also where your instruction manual is? Well, there's a way around that. You can use your My Porsche app on your mobile device. So I've got my mobile device. We're going to select My Porsche app here. The next thing we're going to select is Vehicle Details, this button right here in the middle. We're going to select Owner's Manual. If it's your first time using this, you'll select the Download button here. Download, it'll just take a few seconds as the file is not that big. There we go. Now our owner's manual is downloaded onto our My Porsche app. Here you can see all of the same things that you had here in your instructions here on your mobile device. So let's go back to Chapter Overview, Displays in Operation, PCM, Home Screen in My Screen, and here you can see the same instruction. This is really great when you're working on something in the PCM that you need to figure out. You now can find and utilize the information included in your owner's manual in your new 911.